Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Automatic repair could not repair your PC. How to solve this issue? First of all, I will give you two, three methods that 100% will solve your issue. And also, I will tell you that how you can take back your data, how to save, and how to recover your data, even if your computer is not working. So let's start. First of all, we will try to repair, and if in case if we will unable to repair, so we will try to recover our all the data from it. So we can install new Windows. So first of all, you need to go to advanced options. In advanced options, you need to go to troubleshoot. Then you need to go advanced options. Now our first method is simple and easy. That this is startup repair. Click on that and just try to repair and just wait for the results, and hopefully it will solve your issue. And in case it doesn't, then we'll try another and then another, and then we will try to recover our data. So as you can see, it is recovering, trying to fix it, diagnosing your PC. So you can see we are unable to solve, so we will try our second method. Then go to advanced options, go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and then we will try another method that will you can see here, uninstall updates. So click on that and then click on uninstall latest quality update or uninstall feature update. So we will try with this one. Now click on uninstall feature update. So as you can see, it is showing that we ran into a problem, won't be able to uninstall. Okay, then close. Go to again troubleshoot, advanced options. Now we will try third method, system restore.